Mantis 7940 Tiller Review. Honest truth about breakthrough results and why it's worth it. Have you ever stared at your garden beds knowing the soil prep ahead would destroy your weekend and your back? It's more common than you think. The constant struggle with heavy equipment, fuel mixing hassles, or manual labor that leaves you drained isn't just annoying. It steals the joy from gardening. Many feel stuck between tools that are either too big or simply not effective enough. The Mantis 7940 was designed to break that cycle. If this sounds familiar, keep watching. You're about to see a genuine game changer for small to mid-sized gardens. You know exactly how it goes. Spring arrives and your raised beds are compacted from winter, full of stubborn weeds and heavy clay. Dragging out a bulky rear-tine tiller feels pointless because it barely fits your space. Mixing fuel becomes another chore you dread, the smoke bothers you, and the machine vibrates violently. Hours later, you're exhausted with uneven results. Or you try doing it by hand with a hoe. The bending, chopping, and pulling leaves your back aching for days, while the weeds seem to return stronger. Time keeps slipping away. Your planting schedule falls further behind, and that quiet frustration builds because you know your garden could be so much better. This cycle quietly holds so many people back from the productive, beautiful plots they envision. The mounting pressure is real, yet there is a smarter way, one that finally matches the scale of real home gardens. Then, everything changed when the Mantis 7940 entered the picture. Don't just pick any tiller. Make sure it has a no-mix 4-cycle Honda engine so you never experience the frustration of measuring oil ratios and dealing with unreliable starts again. This compact machine weighs only 24 pounds, yet delivers serious power. Its curved U.S. steel tines spin up to 240 RPM, breaking soil up to 10 inches deep, while the 9-inch width gives you surgical precision in raised beds and borders. The finger-controlled variable throttle lets you dial in exactly the power needed for the task. One moment, you're aggressively turning new ground. The next, you're lightly cultivating around existing plants without damaging roots. The shore grip handles feel comfortable, even after extended use. Experienced gardeners often discover another layer, too. The narrow profile and responsive handling make it surprisingly effective for quick touch-ups and perfectly mixing compost exactly where you want it. These secondary uses become daily conveniences that most people never expect from a gas tiller. Did you notice how natural that felt? The kickstand and fold-down handles mean it stores neatly in the smallest shed corner. Suddenly, soil prep stops being a dreaded chore and becomes a satisfying rhythm that actually fits your life. The difference is striking. People who actually use the Mantis 7940 tell a consistent story. One long-term owner shared, "I've had my Mantis tiller for several years, and it has been performing wonderfully." Another gardener noted, "Once I loosen up the soil and put the blades in the cultivate position, this power tiller eats weeds like crazy and is much easier on my back than using a hoe." Testing confirms the 25 cubic centimeter Honda 4-cycle engine spins those tines faster than most competitors in its class, while eliminating fuel mixing entirely. The lightweight design, combined with the cast gearbox and durable tines, creates a tool that feels both agile and trustworthy. I personally watched it transform how I approach my own flower borders. What used to take an entire exhausting afternoon now takes 30 focused minutes with better results. The pattern is clear across reviews from both experts and everyday gardeners. This isn't hype. It's simply a well-designed tool that quietly over-delivers for the right situations. The transformation is real. You move from fighting your garden to working in easy partnership with it. Soil prep becomes faster, your back feels better, and you actually look forward to time spent outside. Join thousands already living this reality. I've dropped my link in the description and pinned it. Just click and see for yourself. No pressure, no complicated decisions, just a simple next step that could change how you garden for years to come. I genuinely hope it serves you as well as it has served me.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.